In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce Etsy. Etsy is a really popular online marketplace where people buy and sell handmade, vintage, and unique items. Because it's written as ETSY, it can be a little confusing at first glance, and a lot of people are unsure how to say it out loud. So in this video, I'll walk you through a simple way to pronounce it clearly and confidently. Let's start by breaking the word into two simple parts, or syllables. Think of it as et and si. When you put them together, you get Etsy. That's the standard English pronunciation of the brand name. Focus first on the beginning, et. This sounds just like the word pet, but without the letter P at the start. Your mouth should be fairly relaxed with a short A sound, like in red or get. Then close your tongue against the top of your mouth to make the T sound at the end, et. Now let's look at the second part, see. This is exactly the same as the English word see, as in I see you. It's a long E sound that you stretch slightly. Your lips pull back a bit into a small smile shape, see. Once you feel comfortable saying each part on its own, try putting them together smoothly. Etsy, say it slowly at first, Etsy. Then gradually speed it up until it flows as one word, Etsy. One helpful tip is to stress the first syllable a little more than the second. That means your voice is slightly stronger on et and a bit lighter on si. So it sounds like etc, not etsy. You can practice by using it in short, simple sentences like, I bought this on Etsy, or I sell my artwork on Etsy. Repeat those a few times, listening to how Etsy fits naturally into the sentence. If your first language is not English, you might be tempted to read the letters in a way that matches your own language rules. Just remember, for this brand name in English, you'll want to keep it as Etsy with that short e and the clear c at the end. Replay this video and say the word along with me as many times as you need. With a bit of repetition, Etsy will start to feel completely natural.